Hello, I am Livia Holden, Chair of the K-Peritia Cost Action. I would like to share how cultural expertise supports policymakers, judges, lawyers, and expert witnesses in addressing complex cases where law meets culture, and why taking this dimension seriously leads to more informed, fair, and effective public decisions. Cultural expertise draws from diverse areas like anthropology, arts, history, ethnopsychology, and journalism, and many more across and at the intersection with the social sciences. Think about how these disciplines, along with inputs from country governmental reports and NGO reports, shape the lens through which we view cultural expertise. Also, consider the role of intercultural mediation and cultural defense. All these concepts and fields help navigate complex socio-legal landscapes, providing crucial insights for decision-making. It's important to understand cultural expertise as an umbrella term. This concept encompasses the specialized knowledge that experts in laws and cultures bring to the table. Their role is to assist decision-making authorities by providing insights into the socio-legal backgrounds of the facts and individuals involved. There are a few key points to highlight here. Specialized knowledge. Cultural experts provide crucial information that aids in the assessment of evidence, ensuring decisions are well informed and contextually relevant. Independence. It's vital that these experts maintain independence, serving as critical affirmers rather than advocates. This ensures their assessments are unbiased and reliable. Role in decision-making. By offering a deeper understanding of cultural context, these experts facilitate more nuanced and just decision-making processes. As we move forward, we'll explore how cultural expertise relates to fundamental freedoms and human rights, underscoring its significance in broader legal and social frameworks. Cultural expertise is a crucial instrument for the support of fundamental freedoms and human rights. These concepts are intertwined and crucial for fostering a just society. These include freedom from want, fear, slavery, and torture. Additionally, freedoms of worship, speech, opinion, and expression are essential to our identity and autonomy. Each of these freedoms is a cornerstone of a free society. Next, consider the rights to self-government, life, liberty, and culture. These rights ensure that individuals and communities can thrive, maintaining their unique identities while contributing to the larger society. The right to belong to national, ethnic, religious, and linguistic minorities is also crucial, as it protects diversity and promotes inclusivity. Finally, the right to non-refoulement ensures that individuals are not returned to a place where they face threats to life or freedom. These rights and freedoms are not just abstract concepts. They are vital for enabling individuals to live with dignity and participate fully in their communities. Cultural expertise plays a pivotal role in upholding these values by providing nuanced insights that inform decisions and policies. It's important to position ad hoc cultural expertise vis-à-vis general types of report by governmental and non-governmental sources. General reports are comprehensive, often state-sanctioned, and rely on written sources to provide a broad overview. On the other hand, ad hoc expertise is more flexible and tailored to specific cases. It's independent, always updated, and tends to be detailed, often using first-hand information to offer immediate insights. Cultural expertise positions against cultural determinism. This means we don't stereotype or assume that culture is the sole determinant of people's actions. Inclusion is another cornerstone of ethical cultural expertise. We aim to embrace diverse perspectives, ensuring everyone's voice is heard and respected. This leads us to procedural neutrality, maintaining objectivity and fairness in our assessments. Independence is crucial. Experts must operate free from external pressures to ensure their findings are unbiased and reliable. Lastly, let's talk about critical affirmation and productive dialogue. This involves both affirming the value of cultural insights and engaging in conversations that foster understanding rather than conflict, even when disagreement is necessary. Remember, these ethical principles are not just theoretical, they guide our everyday practice in cultural expertise. Let's look at this snapshot of the typical questions cultural experts often address. These questions can be quite varied depending on the context and needs of a case. Firstly, consider questions related to belonging to a certain social group. These often involve issues of persecution and discrimination and can extend to matters of criminal responsibility. Evaluating risk, whether to others, or from environmental hazards, is another significant concern. Next, cultural experts might encounter specific legal concepts. These can include civil status, kinship, or enterprise, as well as duties and rights, fraud, and non-traceable payments. Questions also probe the protection by state and non-state authorities. These questions can cover access to justice, healthcare, and education, and might assess internal relocation risks, such as being tracked down, or the capacity to access state infrastructure, sometimes necessitating a low profile. Finally, experts may need to address the existence and implementation of certain foreign laws. Here, protection and discrimination, the right to a fair trial, access to justice, media influence, and prison conditions come into play. These questions are not just academic. They directly impact individuals' lives and their access to rights and protections. By understanding these typical inquiries, we can better appreciate the critical role cultural expertise plays in legal and societal contexts. Our qualitative data indicates that cultural expertise can significantly bolster trust in the legal system and streamline court processes. This enhancement will lead to cost savings for taxpayers and help alleviate judicial backlogs while maintaining essential legal protections. Furthermore, on a broader level, cultural expertise has the capacity to foster social inclusion and encourage social responsibility. There is a significant demand for training aimed at cultural experts, as well as for legal professionals seeking to instruct these experts. However, the availability of such training is currently inconsistent. In our call for action, we're emphasizing the importance of fostering interprofessional dialogue and training. By enhancing the training and capacity of judges and experts, we improve access to vital professional knowledge. This not only helps reduce discrimination, but it also promotes social inclusion. The benefits are clear: fewer appeals, increased trust in our institutions, and financial savings. The potential impact is significant across all fields of law, with some areas benefiting more than others. Remember, there's a close linkage between cultural expertise and human rights, making it imperative that we get this right. Our training programs are just a click away. Explore a comprehensive selection of courses aimed at boosting your professional skills at the following link: https://k-peritia.com/courses/. Should you have any questions or require additional information, don't hesitate to contact us via email at k-peritia@k-peritia.com. We are dedicated to supporting your journey towards enhanced professional competence and cultural awareness, as well as providing valuable materials and data for policymakers interested in cultural expertise.